been the most widely used mechanism to offset and balance the greenhouse gas emissions globally. In this course, you will understand the background to why such a system exists, the intent, and how it works. In the end, you will get a high-level understanding of the carbon balance and will be able to have an opinion on this topic. This course is developed by Shruti and myself, Prachi. We are architects with expertise in green building consulting at the Environmental Design Solutions, which is a sustainability consulting firm. I will be guiding you through this course and will ensure that you have a great learning experience. At the end of this course, you will understand the issue of climate change, as well as how it plays an important role in the existence of carbon credits. You will have your own opinion on the pros and cons of carbon trading, and you will also understand the technicalities of carbon credits. The course has been divided into 5 modules. Module 1 gives an overview of climate change and the factors behind it. Module 2 provides an insight into the Kyoto Protocol, the environmental agreement that seeks to mitigate climate change and the different market mechanisms under it. In Module 3, you'll gain an insight into the Kyoto Protocol's most potentially transformative mechanism, the Clean Develop Mechanism. Module 4 will help you understand the next mechanism, joint implementation. Finally, in Module 5, you'll understand how international emission trading works and its pros and cons.